Today we got a video from behind the mugshot, and the title of the video is Cocky Karen refuses to leave hotel after trespass.
Let's go. I don't know who you think you are, like trying to force me to get up and listen.
This girl had already been trespassed from the hotel after multiple warnings from staff.
You're actually being an asshole.
Refusing every instruction and not even listening to her own fiance, who was trying to calm her down.
I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. I'm your fiance, my love. I put a ring on your finger. Go back inside. Hold on. Do not go back inside. I got her.
Excuse me?
Baby,
Don't do it.
Baby, please.
Baby,
Can I
paid
escort
money
her to
to
the
be
car?
in
Is that okay?
You can't touch her.
I paid money to be in
My
this
love, if
hotel.
I can't touch you, they're gonna touch you, and you don't want
It's
that.
okay.
So please, no, it's
No.
not okay. Baby, why can't you just go in the motherfucking car? Please, God,
I
please.
paid-
Jesus
Listen to
Christ.
him.
Baby, please, they're trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. I'm your fiance, my love. I put a ring on your finger. Get in the fucking car.
I paid money
It's my
to be in this
birthday.
hotel, so what's the problem?
Baby, this is my birthday, baby. Baby, if you don't love me, baby, just get in the car, please, my love.
Can you just look?
My love.
No,
Sit in the chair, do whatever, but do not go inside the building.
Can I?
These people will arrest you.
No, I have no problem with you at all.
Okay, well then
But
stop defying what they're
paid-
telling you.
No.
Stop, baby. I don't give a
I
fuck
have
what-
genuine.
Go ahead and
no
park the car.
Y'all
We
see
got
what
it.
I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
I have no problem with you guys.
Just pack the car. Pack the car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Leave her there.
You need to
No,
not get up.
okay.
Stay here.
I have no problem with you.
You'll get
I
arrested
don't-
if you do not.
Okay, I genuinely have no problem with you guys. But I paid money to be here, you know?
You'll take it up with the company. We're police.
Yes,
Out with them.
absolutely.
They have nothing to do with this. It's a
Yes,
company.
I
Don't take it
have,
out on them.
no
Okay.
problem with these people at all. But I did pay money to be here, and
We understand.
I paid $300 to celebrate the birthday here, you know? So why would I not be here?
You
That
have to
makes
get
no
kicked
sense.
out.
What did I do to get kicked out of this facility?
We already told you millions of times.
I would love to know.
Noise.
Noise, nothing. I was in the room, I did not do nothing wrong, and I paid money, I paid everything to be in this hotel. So there's nothing that I should be kicked out of the room for. That's crazy. In my
Argue right there. Baby,
I didn't do nothing.
You should pay a lot more.
you need to get in the car.
Garrett, there's something that I did that was wrong.
All right, just grab it. We'll stay with her. Grab the cart, man, and go up to the room. This
I
officer's
don't need
waiting
the
up
car
there.
anymore.
Okay. Go ahead and grab the rest.
Are you sure? You got a lot of stuff over there.
Yes, we were in the room. We're celebrating. There's nothing that I did was wrong.
Baby, I just need you to get in the car
I'm
right
not
now.
going to the car.
Baby, I just
Damn.
need you to get in the car.
Garrett, go in the car if you want to go to the car. Go to this guy.
I can't
I'm
breathe.
not going to the car. I didn't.
Right now.
I did
Get in the car.
He's got a suffer my door.
Garrett, if you want to go in the car, go in the car. That's it.
Baby,
Easy.
get in the car. Where are you at? I don't know. Get in the motherfucking car.
Hey, man. Just go grab the stuff. We'll stay with her.
The thing is, I just don't.
I know what
You know she's drunk. I don't want you guys to take advantage of her and like arrest her.
We're not going to take advantage of
Okay,
anyone.
I hope not. I really hope not, because I'm
We
trying
don't
my
want
best with
to
y'all.
take anyone to jail.
I know. I'm just saying,
I'm being so-
you know how it's looking
I'm
right now.
being
I'm trying to be
so
very
responsible.
cooperative.
She's
with
sitting
you.
down. She's
Yes.
sitting down. Just leave her.
I'm not.
I know, but when I leave, I don't know how she's gonna act. Right? Is that a
Okay.
fair thing?
That's
Yes.
fair.
I'm just saying.
You think I'm gonna act
drop
crazy?
her off
I'm
and
sitting
go
here.
and pick
That's
up your
it.
stuff in the next.
I would just feel more comfortable if she was in the car when I went. Correct? That's that's a fair thing. If there
Well,
was
she's
your
not
girl-
listening, so we got to get you guys out of the hotel now.
No, I
Okay,
understand that.
so leave her, and if she makes her own
Okay.
decision, she's an adult.
Right.
All right, go, because we're gonna have to trespass both of you guys if we
Okay.
don't.
Baby, please get in the car.
Garrett, go in your car and do whatever you want. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm sitting here.
Oh,
Just once you get everything, maybe she'll follow you. Once you,
That's fine. Okay.
yeah,
Just please, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
I got
it's
you.
so
I'm trying to help
crazy
y'all.
that
I got you. We'll give her any chance she
I
gets.
paid
We
for
can.
this hotel, right? Am I able to stay in the hotel? I'm really confused on what's going on.
You're gonna go home.
Can I stay in my hotel that I paid for?
No,
But I paid for it.
I understand. Take it up with the company tomorrow. Sit down.
I paid for the hotel to stay here for the night, and you guys are telling me to go home.
Yep,
For what reason? I would love to know.
because we said so.
Huh?
Because we said so.
Because you said so?
Mhm.
Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness. So you said for me to go home. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Okay. Can I come and stay here for the night? Because I genuinely...
All right, guys, let's go.
No.
Son, let's go. We need to go right now.
No,
Otherwise, you're gonna
I
get arrested.
paid for this
Baby,
room.
if you don't get in my car right now and we go home, you're gonna get arrested.
I will get arrested. I don't care.
No, you are.
We tried.
I don't
We tried.
Please take my hand. Please.
Ain't nothing more unattractive than a chick that can't listen to her man when it's in good faith, man. He ain't telling her nothing wrong. Come on, we about to get locked up, you know, or you about to get locked up. Let's go. We gonna go to another hotel-y or whatever the case may be. Obviously, they under the influence or whatever, but the cops is still gonna let them rock. Just get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. You know, and people say, you know, sometimes the girls will get mad and like, nah, I don't want to listen to no man or whatever. You know how that go this nowadays. You know what I mean? But it's like, it's not like, you know, I'm not saying that, you know, you gotta listen to him like a robot or something like that. But when someone is telling you something in good faith and it's a loved one, like your fiance, come on, like, let's get it together. There's no reason for you to be hard-headed and want to do whatever it is that you want to do instead of just listening to him, right? It's his birthday. Shouldn't you want to just be with him and go along, you know? Like, come on, get it together, man. Before that, you see that there's a female officer there, you better get it together before she gets you together. That's a fact.
Talk with the manager about the room, okay?
Because I paid
That's
for
fine.
this room.
You can call in the morning
But
about
I'm
it.
about to go there now because this
But
makes
the managers aren't here right now. So you
Well, I will go in the morning. I will go right now
Baby,
and
take
say
my hand or you're gonna get
no.
arrested.
Absolutely
Baby,
not. This makes zero sense.
I'll help you to the car.
Absolutely no. You don't have to touch me.
I do because you're not
No.
leaving. So let's go.
No.
Listen,
Can I
we're
ask
really
you
trying to
something?
help you.
Can I put her in
Because
the car, please?
I paid for this room for his
No,
27th birthday.
Let me just pick her up and put her in
She's
the
gonna
car.
fight you and then
No,
it's
she
good.
will not fight me. Baby, if I put you in the car, will
No,
you fight me?
Garrett,
She said no.
Do you understand?
Is that okay?
Do you understand?
It's a
that
risky
I,
no.
Please.
I paid
Please,
for
I'm helping
everything.
you.
Hey, no, I'm just saying because
No,
if
but I
she
paid for the
you
She will
really
not hurt
should.
me.
We're not
No, I would
arguing
never
any
press
of that, but
charges.
the manager's
I'm
not
a man.
Either way, you guys are dating.
I
You
would
have to
actually
take her.
love to
I'm a
speak with
fiance.
manager
Okay,
before
but I
you
don't
before
hear
you
right now.
do that.
before you
I'm
try
just
to
saying,
take
she's
me
teaching
somewhere.
us
I'm not
anything.
saying where
Let
you're
me get her in
going.
the car.
If you want to make that
I would
choice,
love
but
to
if she
Yes,
does
ma'am.
anything, she's going to
They're
jail.
not here
Okay.
right now. What
Baby,
don't you understand?
Baby, I'm gonna put you in the car. If you do
Garrett,
anything, you're gonna go to jail.
Garrett.
Please help me.
Stop
See,
it.
she's already pushing
My
you.
love.
Just back up.
I'm going to try to speak with
The managers aren't here
because
right
I
now.
I would
paid
suggest you getting in the car.
actually, not you, but me.
Get in the
I
car
paid for this,
after
right?
you're
Just
leaving.
go in the car.
And then
Because I
I
paid
need
for
to
this
leave with my
hotel.
fiance. Do you
Yes,
understand?
no, I'm not
Okay,
saying to
just
leave
leave
with
it.
her.
I know.
How
You're
about
being difficult. I'm
how
trying to
about I try to figure out?
She's not here. The managers aren't here.
Well, I'm gonna figure out what's going on.
But we already
get up.
Get in the car.
No.
Let's go.
I don't know who you think you are, like trying to force me to get up and not.
Listen, you're not allowed on the
Thank you so much for giving me
this way.
Ma'am,
This way. In the car. Come
ma'am,
on.
please.
Baby, you need
You're
to
close.
get in the gym.
Ma'am,
You're close this way. You're almost
Baby,
there.
do not
Okay.
do anything.
Perfect.
Get in the car.
almost there. Come in.
ma'am,
Baby,
yes,
they're trying to
yes,
help
ma'am,
you.
ma'am.
Baby, we're talking in the car.
Ma'am, I'll talk to you, ma'am.
Sit down.
Okay, let go.
Sit down.
Garrett,
Now look.
Garrett, stop.
Take a seat, okay?
Can I please
She'll
talk
talk to you right as soon as you sit down.
As soon as you sit down.
Tell her as soon as she
Okay.
sits down. Sit
Garrett,
down and she'll talk to you.
I'm gonna.
Yes. Sit
Can I
down.
please talk to the person?
As soon as you sit down in the
As soon as
seat.
you sit down,
Yes.
why would I?
My love, please for me and our love.
I'm
baby,
not fighting
please.
for anybody. Can I please talk to?
Yes, as soon as you sit
I
in the seat.
paid for this.
My love, yes, we know that. My love, please
So
sit in
can
the
I please
seat.
talk to somebody?
My love,
You're
please sit in
talking
the
to
seat.
4 people
I
right now.
actually.
My love, please sit in the seat, baby. Please, I swear to God, baby, please. Like,
Do I have the opportunity to speak to the person
No.
I paid?
No.
no, you don't. Right at the
That
moment,
makes
tomorrow
no
we
sense.
can.
No,
My love,
they're
please.
not. That
Here
makes
right
sense.
now. It's 4
Baby, why can't you just listen? It's
Well,
fucking
let
police.
me
Like,
speak
you're a
to
civilian.
somebody
You're
that I
police.
paid for.
Respect it. Respect their authority and sit in the fucking
Gary,
seat.
I
baby.
respect her and everybody.
Yes.
I don't not
I just want
respect
to make sure she's okay. Please, do not take her to jail. Please, I'm
Garrett,
trying to help you guys. I'm trying to help you.
Garrett, you're yeah, and I don't not respect her. I don't respect her.
I love
Hey, if she's not willing to leave the property, will you do it? Do you want to trespass?
Hold on. Be right with you, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Listen, you did pay. Can I please understand this though? Can you please understand from my point of view? I paid for a room, right? and I paid for an upgrade.
He's
And
ready to do that.
I did not play music super loud, and
We don't argue that. We don't.
Right.
That's not anything we're
but I do feel you don't have the civil right to.
Sir, I'm so sorry. Can you just come out and tell her she's trespassed? All you have to say is, ma'am, you're trespassed, and I'll explain the rest. That's all you have to do. Okay? He's fine. Yeah, he's good. It's her.
But I'm
Listen to him.
Here's the manager.
You're trespassing, get in the property.
so.
That's it. There's no discussion.
Ma'am.
No, you're not gonna act that way to her.
Favor, stop.
We gave
This
you
is the
multiple
man for the
chances.
property. Listen.
So-
He's saying you're not allowed here any
I
longer.
paid for a room here, right?
So you don't pay to stop.
You can actually go back inside.
No,
You're good.
no.
Nope, it's done.
I actually didn't even get a chance to
Okay,
speak to this.
because they already
You're trespassed
understand this.
No,
You are
you're
trespassed,
actually
so-
being an asshole.
No.
And I will definitely get a chance.
One
to
more
speak to him.
chance.
Okay, just get in the
Ma'am.
car and go home. That's it.
If I have something that I want to ask him, I will ask him.
I'll take
Not
her.
now.
As my civil right, I have.
Okay, you're not making
I actually
sense of
have
this. Okay.
my right to speak
We're
to him.
really
You know that,
trying to
right?
help you. Just get in the car and go home.
Can I actually ask
No.
him though what I did
I told
wrong?
you no.
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?
Probably what you're doing right now. So just get in the
So
car and go
I'm
home.
staying here
That's all
being
you-
like, hey,
Listen, they don't.
All right,
paid for
he's
this
leaving.
Baby,
All right.
we're going.
He's
Let's go.
leaving.
We're going in the car. Sit in the car right now, my love.
Garrett,
Please,
what did I do
leaving.
wrong
Nothing.
to go
You didn't do
home?
nothing wrong. We're
No,
going
because
home.
why am I
Baby,
going
I'll pay
home?
for everything. They're
probably
gonna
not.
arrest you if you don't sit in the
I think
seat.
it's mine.
Baby,
All right, he's leaving.
Can
They're gone.
All right, get in the car.
Right. Are you? Can I go?
Get in the car.
My love, let's
Well, I want to go inside and ask what I.
Nope. You step in this building, you're going to jail.
Well, I would love to know what I did
Babe,
wrong,
baby,
Bye-bye.
baby, sit in this car right now.
ma'am.
If she follows us, yeah. Bye.
I'm not gonna follow you.
Leave. We're just gonna see if she's gonna leave. If not, we'll take her. All right.
Am I able to speak?
What's your name? Here, I'm sorry.
Am I?
You're under arrest.
Am I able to Am I able to how do I say this? Am I able to if I do leave right now, can I have?
She don't even get it. She's talking about, well, if I leave right now, am I able? Oh, you gonna leave? All right. We gave you the option to leave with your fiance. We gave you the option to listen to your fiance. You didn't want to do it. You want to take matters into your own hands? Okay. You know best. Don't worry about it. Well, now your fiance could come down there and bond you out. Get you together. You know what I'm saying? This don't make no sense. There's no way he should be marrying her. Absolutely not. She could be a wonderful person, man, but if you can't listen to somebody in good faith, come on, man. It's not like he's telling you, hey, babe, I'm about to jump off a bridge. Let's jump off a bridge. Like, that don't make no goddamn sense. But come on, man. This is simple stuff. Simple stuff. Officers trying to tell you, your fiance trying to tell you, you don't want to listen. You want to do things your way? A hard head makes a soft ass.
A written verbal thing from you that you guys are telling me to go home.
I told her everything, and I'm telling the officer, I'm trying to work with you, and she's not listening. She will not.
I'll take it because I'm south.
It's over.
Please, sir.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Am I able to?
Yeah, sir.
No, I have one. It's in my car. Come.
Sir, please.
Am I able to am I able to, how do I say it?
98 dispatch, 1015, white female.
Am I able to, I don't even know how to say this. Am I able to say, like, if I go home or whatever, like,
It's past that, sweetie.
no,
I gave you multiple chances to
no,
leave.
but the thing is that if I am going to go home and whatever, like, am I able to, how do I say this? Am I able to, I don't even know how to say this. Wait. Am I able to say, like, if I do go home, like, what is the reason for me to be arrested?
The charge is going to be, move your head.
Okay.
Trespass after warning. So you were trespassed and then you chose to stay.
But it's my fiance's
Stay there.
birthday, you know what I mean? So I'm confused on what is the reason for me to be trespassed.
So a business, a private property, has every right to trespass anyone they want. If they wanted to trespass us, they could.
So who is the one that like called for this to happen?
I can't tell you that.
Okay.
The report will be public record.
Okay.
Step on over. Actually, I'll help you go to this side.
Okay.
I don't want you to fall.
No, absolutely. I'm not.
Face the
The
car.
thing is that I'm not trying to.
Yes,
Yep. I'm not trying to be funny with you. The thing is that I'm very confused that it's my fiance's birthday and
So we got multiple noise complaints. That's what the original complaint was. And they have a right to ask you guys to leave.
Yes.
Yep, and you didn't leave. That's what it is.
I really don't want to. I've never in my life went to jail. I don't want to go to jail, but I'm very sad because I'm not gonna fight you or anything.
No, I know you're not.
I'm
You have to step your foot up on the...
okay. But I'm very confused on why I would be
Go ahead, put your feet in.
okay. Why I would be put in this position because you know what I mean, like.
I'm sorry you're in this position. We tried to help you.
Because you don't listen to
I'm sorry
nobody.
at this point.
But I've never been in this position, you know.
Yeah. You'll be able to call someone when you get in, okay? You call your parents or someone?
I mean,
You're in this position because you don't listen to nobody. You don't listen to nobody of authority, aka the police, and you don't listen to your fiance. That's why you're in this position. You wanted to do things your own way, and this is what you get.
I'm really sorry you came to this.
It's my fiance's birthday, you know. Like I'm not trying to argue.
And you ruined it.
Call someone
But
anyway.
I do genuinely feel a type of way about me, like
Okay.
being like arrested or like feeling a type of way about the situation because
It's already done though, so we're gonna go, okay? All right. Put your feet in. 9851 double sign.
that's what I think. But I don't know, you know.
I'm not saying that you were the reason for the noise complaint. I know you had multiple people over there. I'm not saying you were, but where you went wrong is I asked you to leave. You were trespassed.
Well, you have to think. I'm an hour away from my phone.
Well, now you're going to jail.
But
I think you would rather take the hour drive, no?
well, I didn't think I was going to go to jail.
I told you were going to go to jail if you didn't leave.
Let's go. I don't know who you think you are, like trying to force me to get up.
Eventually, she was arrested and charged with trespassing.
Yeah, good work. Good work, man. That was. She can't listen to nobody of authority. She can't listen to her fiance. How is it? Come on, man. Want to do things her own way. That's not marriage material, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is. Anyway, sure, she's a lovely person sober, but you got to be a lovely person sober and under the influence. You know what I mean? Anyway, I think the cops did the best they could, man. They had a lot more patience than a lot of people would have had, you know? So they get a 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.